us, right? So like, it's so crazy the way things are moving so quickly. But you guys never know. You guys might end up in Snapchat. You guys might even be making content for Snapchat one day. But for me, it's there and then. I mean, like, doing videos, shooting it that way, it's just super cool for me. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna get into my influences and why is it so important to have these? I think that's important because it challenges you. Like,
Can I see your ID?
expand
Show me your ID.
be inspired. And shows that we showing you from watching them since I don't know, like
Okay.
years. So
Snap.
one of them is of course working with Anthony. It just really for me I don't know.
Take a video of them, okay?
Yeah, this is Vincent.
So inspiring because they don't
I know, this is Jimwell.
compromise talaga. Really
This
try your
is
best to
CJ,
maintain your integrity, authenticity.
Eric,
Parang you don't
Vincent.
want to have to like lose yourself and have
And
to
this is Marlo.
and then my next one